So it looks like Man United is only signing one midfielder this January. So obviously some reports are stating that Manchester United is only looking to sign one midfielder coming into this January transfer window. Um, I think us only signing one player is not going to make our season better. Even if it's Elliot Anderson or Flippin, Jude Bellingham, it's not going to make our season better. We need at least two young, energetic, quality first teams, and preferably one or both Premier League proven. And currently, this is the list of centre mids, right? Slash DMs Man United is looking at. So we have the likes of Tyler Adams from Bournemouth, Joao Gomez from Wolves, Elliot Anderson from Nottingham Forest, Carlos Baliba from Brighton, and Angelo Stiller from Stuttgart in Germany. So yeah, out of curiosity, I know I would if it's one player I'm going with. I would think this is a tough one. Out of the lot that I mentioned now, I think I would go for um, Carlos Baliba is good. It's between Carlos Baliba and Elliot Anderson, in my opinion. However, you're more than welcome to drop your opinion in the comment section. Who do you pick and why? And if you can, drop the follow button, smash that like button, and please repost this video so it can reach more Man United supporters. Nevertheless, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. I'm out.